Don't ask me how my dad and I made his arm do that, because I don't even know.
What the heck was that?
Bunny!
Yeah, I got those bunnies!
Throw the bunnies!
Show me those bunny butts!
Is this stupid? What is that?
It's another arm.
It's Charles's other arm. It reaches all the way here.
What's a box? Alright, how do I get that?
I don't know.
Oh,
Oh.
okay. Apparently my disc can bring stuff to me. Like a
I
boomerang.
mean, it's kind of a boomerang disc, right?
Got the expert throwing.
Oh! Oh! Another... Wait, how am I supposed to stop that? I have to kick it. Oh crap, we didn't do it in time.
What? Okay, I got that one.
Oh!
Get it! Get it!
Yeah! Okay!
Whoa!
That's dangerous!
That took off. Oh!
Okay,
Oh!
back
Oh!
to
Oh!
our treasure burying mission. Get...
Oof! Wind. It's a bouncing donkey.
Oh! Oh. Oh. Or you could just show off, and, you know, no teamwork.
I mean, that's what we're supposed to do. That doesn't look safe.
What is that?
Lava, I think.
Oh. It's fine. It's not real lava.
Notice
I
of,
think my father and I would use real lava.
Notice of
that looks like a
eviction.
target. Can I stomp on it? No.
So what's this?
Not seen it before. Looks boring.
But the words talking about you and your dad.
Are they though? Oh yeah, Mr. G. Penrose and daughter. It looks boring. I'm going to tear it down.
Mr. G. Penrose and thing.
Well, it's that's better.
You know, nothing ever good ever comes from running away from your problems.
Well,
Take it from me,
It's-
someone
oh,
who's
there's
running
more of
away
them.
from their problems. We're in the dungeon!
We're in the dungeon.
I know, it's not a good place to be. It's where they chain people up that couldn't pay their bills. It's called debtor's
It's
prison.
okay. I paid for all my comics. Well, my dad has. Come on, let's go.
My mom went to debtor's prison. Okay.
Oh. Well, there we go. Just get rid of them all. It doesn't exist.
Treasure unblocked. All these sparklies. You gotta click these. This is
Like
money.
them. I have plenty of money. Didn't you see the posters? I'm loaded.
Uh-huh.
I have wellies in the bike, and you don't. Here we go.
Big target.
Big stop!
Oh!
What's the worm baby again? No, not the worm baby.
Oh, happy stories.
And moving on. Go, go, go.
What is that thing?
It's a wizard.
He looks scary.
Cold. The treasure was buried. The night celebrated with... What? Medieval pizza party!
I thought they were in shrooms at first. But I can get more targets than you.
Yeah, where are they even? Oh, here we go.
Boo, 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 boo.
It's like someone's getting buku targets. Yeah, I'm winning.
Ah! I tried so hard to win.
Pizza's ready. Freshly defrosted by robots. Yum. Okay, let's keep going. You finally actually have something to chew.
There's Totinos.
That's for my hungry guys.
Where are we going?
I don't know. I'm carrying pizza.
Oh, so you are. Oh, so am I.
Oh, this wait.
I can't see.
There's a path there.
What did your guys say?
This is something about going somewhere.
Where? Okay, please. These things for the camera I can't see. There's a lawn chair. Let's see here? No.
This way? This is...
We just go back through the whole course?
this doesn't look like where we were. Looks different.
It's the Golf King.
See, he's holding a pizza, like we've never been here before.
That's true.
That's definitely new.
Oh! Oh.
Not loving this. All the knights started going weird and dying.
This is... Oh. Ugh. I think I'm done
I'm
with
just
my...
gonna eat my pizza.
I think I'm done with my pizza. Alrighty then. Oh, I don't want any more pizza or anything now.
What? Why not? Was there something wrong with it?
Oh, I like dying.
And then the whole castle was destroyed. And nobody knows where it was. But it was here.
Definitely here. Treasure map.
Those knights must have been gobbled up by the ancient curse. But we made it through the golf course alive. Let's get our prize out of... We have a prize dispenser. The rare treasure map.
So you think it's real treasure on the island?
Of course! The whole island's here on the map. So I guess we could use it to find the treasure. Like a treasure map. There won't be many and them bad. Most people did take significant victory.
What?
That's just because they only got the map for the money off coupons to spend on their way home.
Well, golf course was cool, but it'd be way more fun to find the real treasure. Think your mom and dad would know where we start
My
searching?
mom's dead! My dad doesn't believe in the treasure. And my mom's not here anymore.
Where's your mom?
I told you! She had an accident. It's been bad. At least I don't have to go to school at the moment. Anyway, we need to go in that window you broke. Our dad will be cross if he finds it.
Huh, okay. It's a shame to go back though. I'm enjoying exploring.
pour tea and refreshments. I wish I had my bike.
Hang on, what's through here?
That's staff only, employers only.
I'm having a look.
No, you're not. We got to go back. Fix the window. We're not supposed to be here.
Those are the best places to be. Come on, there's stuff down here. Oh, more eviction notices.
Sometimes one of those. Thank you.
I know you want to hide your past.
Oh, it's the ocean.
It is the ocean. Why is it so hazy?
What's the ocean for? Huh. I can kick up sand here.
It's very foggy.
It's Silent Hill. The game suddenly turns into a horror game. What?
Is that where you came from?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
Yeah, it is. What?
Was there nothing here? It seems like there should be something here.
Maybe we need to find another opening?
I don't know. Oh. Oh, it goes back!
Huh? Good squeeze. Squeeze.
What's this place? What's a giant shrimp?
Don't step on the flowers!
Okay, okay. Oh, is this your...
That's my dead mother. She's the golf queen! But yes, she was painted to look like my mom, just like the golf king was painted to look like my dad.
Oh, okay, but why is she down here? Did she have an accident too?
Dad didn't want to see her on the golf course anymore. She made him sad. So I dragged her in here and made her comfy. I'm super strong! So now I can chat with her about things, and we do pictures, and we do crafting together.
Oh, I'm sorry to come in here.
Get your hand off of my back.
I didn't mean to spoil it.
It's okay. You're the first person to see it here. So it feels strange.
I know you don't know me very well, but you can talk to me about your mom if you want to. And how she's dead and stuff.
I don't think I know you well enough yet. Sorry!
Wow! Shut down. So... wanna do some more crafting now?
Yeah, I left some paints around here.
What's with this giant shrimp? No paints in the giant prawn. Any in the robots?
Here? My baby, she used to have a kiln.
What's this pot full of glitter?
To throw at you, obviously.
Oh.
What's happening? Oh, Mom!
It's collapsing!
Mother!
Get out!
No!
She had an accident!
The bowling alley!
Get to the cab! Stop the driver! Is he in ice? He can't see us! He's frozen in crystals! Smash the engine!
Vandalism!
It's too armored.
Too armored.
The worms open
The worms open the hatch!
Because you're stopping it, did it?
Whatever, wallop it! Ah, it's broken the bulldozer! That man's life is in danger!
Smashing something out of the ground. What the heck is this?
It's the dead knights! I told you it's gonna smoking up the ancient spirits!
And golf balls. Luckily, you only cursed that golf ball. Evil golf ball! What is that man doing?
It's going insane!
The golf balls are alive!
My face!
Oof. Look at these golf balls.
Oh! Oh my gosh, there's so many of them!
I gotcha!
I think they're gonna keep coming, I think.
Where are we going? We need to get out?
Maybe?
I don't know how we get out. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Eh.
What is happening?
Up here!
Up here, up here, up here. Oh, there's a band-aid.
I'll stop the bulldozer, not my promise! Even though you're missing the top half of your head!
Oh, what was that? A golf.
It's a golf ball.
Okay.
Stop the dozer!
Not the dozers.
It's what the little men.
The icicles, whatever those things are.
The what?
They choose those like ice things, remember? That they build out of? Or like the Fraggles did.
I don't know, I just remember them with like their little tiny construction tools.
You remember like they made things like these icicle things.
Huh.
And then the Fraggles would eat it.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Is this for the dozer game? Yeah.
Look at all the golf balls over here.
So many golf balls.
Eh.
Okay.
There's the bulldozer!
Big boy. What is this guy doing? Ow! What the heck?
Targets! What are those? Oh, the targets. No.
What is this guy doing?
He's trying to kill us!
He's trying to kill some kids.
Eh. Ah! The targets are Oh, they're helping us.
Are they?
Yeah.
Let's see where they're going. Oh, they are helping us. Interesting.
The enemies become the friends. Yes. Eh.
Gosh, golf balls now. Ow. Getting hit by falling rocks. Look out!
Ah!
Oh my gosh. What is this boss?
How do I tell how much health I have left?
On the bottom.
Ow!
You've taken 3 damage.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's how. Yeah, I have a lot of health.
Yeah, we do. Okay.
You.
I got protected from the golf balls.
Ow!
Oh, you're taking a lot of damage.
God, he's a madman!
I know, right?
Ah!
Watch out for the flaming rocks.
Quick, roll inside!
Okay.
Worms!
Smash everything!
I'll fill it with worms!
Ugh.
I am the worm baby after all. Worms! Fill up his head all gross!
Oh,
And make it burst!
you're creepy.
it's normal. What are you talking about?
Woof.
Treasure.
Well, that was fun.
I think we just straight up killed a man.
Well, the worms killed him.
Yeah, that's how you look at it. Dad!
Papa, I just killed a man.
I I saved the island. Why are you mad? Look at his chest hair.
No. That stupid girl rode my bulldozer. Verk Taus Giddy. She ever speak like that to my daughter?
I can barely say your name.
That neck jiggle.
Yeah, you tell him, Dad.
You're no better than Griffin. We had a deal. The deal's off now. Just for my bulldozer. I can do more own digging. Fighting now. Stupid girl. I wanna ride my bike. I wanna ride my bike. I'm shouting. My daughter was in the contract. Get out of here, Burke. Go twerk somewhere else, Burke.
Please don't ever twerk.
Sounds like some weird circus act. And now the amazing twerking Burke.
Wait, where are you going, folks?
Come see Burke twerk while he works.
I get it wrong, Dad.
I don't rightly know what you think you were doing.
The bulldozer smashed up my special cave. I had to smash it back. But then it smashed the ground. And the golf ball started biting us. And it got all misty and weird.
Oh, Mousy. Let me lift you up a minute. Check you haven't got any scars from your battling.
I got tons. What's really going on?
Am I Irish? I guess I am Irish. Well, ugh. I can do an Irish accent. I can't afford to keep the caravan park open. We didn't get enough visitors, blah blah blah. Keep a roof over our head, and was your mom well? She was one with the good ideas. Mr. Tao Skitty was paying me to test the ground for minerals.
Yes, that sounds right, of course.
To,
certainly not an assassination
find
attempt.
minerals. Oh, I was always supposed to dig on the beach.
You didn't tell me, but I was just trying to help.
I know. I'm sorry. I should have told you sooner. It's been very hard for us.
It's only been a year.
What is on my...
Mother died within a year.
What is on my back? Is that a hood?
I'll save up my pocket, but I can sell some of my comics. I'm a little distracted by the weird thing on your back, Dad.
Thank you, Mosey. I'll gladly take your comics. That's kind of you, but we need a lot more money than that.
It's not like Daddy needs money for drugs.
Ah, yes. It'll definitely go to pay for a roof over our heads. It was right stupid of me not to tell you about this.
You don't know about this.
But you've had a lot to... I don't know what this guy's accent's supposed to be. It sounds like it's sometimes Irish, sometimes it's like, you know, sailor.
Don't worry, Dad. Maybe my new friend can help.
You need your bed. It's late. I'll clear up here.
You with friends? Oh, don't make me laugh.
Oh, Mousy, stop making up stories and give me those comics. Goodness gracious.
I'm thirsty. Oh. Lightning. That's never good.
Well, sometimes it's good.
Oh, what? What is it ever good except to raise up Frankenstein?
Exactly. That's one thing. When you're trying to get power from a lightning rod, when you want to see a cool storm.